Hello, beautiful Emerson children. This is Miss Guerra with Primary Math and the Golden Beads, Introduction to the Decimal System. And this is continuation of retrieving quantities from the tray of nines. So just like as before, we're gonna set it up to where there's 9 units or ones across the top, 9 10 bars below that, 900 squares, and your 1000 cubed. You're gonna have this set up on the floor. The other part can be set up on a table in a different room, or it can be set up on a table in the same room, or you can use a certain work rug, or a second work rug, or bath mat, or towel, or whatever that you have. The next thing will be a tray. Miss Guerra, as before, is just using the lid to a plastic box so you can see the materials better. And then I have a little bowl for units, but this isn't necessary. You can use a coffee mug or any kind of little bowl if you want to, but you don't have to since it's paper and they won't be rolling around everywhere. Okay, so if you need to finish setting up, do so now. Pause the video and then finish up, and then we're gonna do some more practice with retrieving quantities. Okay, are you ready? So I'm gonna tell you what to go get, and while I'm getting it, you're gonna get it as well, and then take it to the table or the second spot that you have set up. Remember that if at your second spot, if it's in a different room, you're gonna need to take the camera with you so you can check your work when I lay out the work on the second rug. Okay, I want you to go collect 8 ones. 8 ones or 8 units. 8 ones. Are you ready? So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should have 8 ones or 8 units on your second spot. Okay, are you ready for the next retrieval? I want you to get 2 10s. 2 10s. All right, are you ready? 1 10, 2 10s. Okay, now we're going to get another retrieval of quantities. Are you ready? I want you to retrieve 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds. Okay, you ready? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So 500 squares is what you should have during that retrieval. Okay, now for this part, we're going to start putting together two-digit numbers or two-digit quantities. Even though we're not using numerals, we're going to collect from two of the decimal systems and put them together to make a new quantity. So for this one, I want you to get 2 tens and 3 hundreds. 2 tens and 3 hundreds. Remember, 2 tens and 3 hundreds. Two tens and 3 hundreds. Okay, let's count. 1 10, 2 10, 100, 200, 300. Okay, now we're going to make it a 3-digit. So this would be 3 decimal places put together. Okay. I want you to get 1 unit, 3 tens, and 100 square. 1 unit, 3 tens, and 100. Say it one more time. 1 unit, 3 tens, and 100. One unit, 3 tens, and 100. Okay, now we're ready for layout to check our work. 1 unit, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 100. So 1 unit, 3 tens, and 100. Okay, now we're ready for the last one. So for this one, I want you to get 2 tens and 1,000. 2 tens and 1,000. 2 tens and 1,000. Okay, are you ready? we're getting 2 tens and 1,000. 1 10, 2 10, and 1 1,000 cube. 2 tens and 1 1,000. Now, if you have collected all of the quantities correctly that were laid out for the tray of nines, you should have no materials left at all on your first rug that you laid out your tray of nines on. So this is your control. If you have some left over, then you need to rewind the video and start from the beginning and do the lesson again. All right, I love you guys and I miss you, and I hope you're really enjoying the video with the golden beads. I will see you next time.